Good morning, my viewers. Good afternoon, good evening. This is another edition of the program Devogue Interiors. Today on Devogue Interiors, I'm going to show you some of the wall clock we have for your living room, for your office space. Just a few of them actually, but I know you will love some of them. So you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can make your orders. Okay, first of all, we have this lovely one here. It's quite big actually, not too small. Look at it. Lovely wall clock. This is just one of it. Very reasonable price. Okay. Let me keep it over here. Look at this lovely brown color. It looks like a golden wristwatch. You can see that. Lovely from Devogue Interiors. Just give us a DM. Thank you, my subscribers. Please subscribe to our channel and encourage us to do more. This is another silver and a black color. Lovely wall clock. You can even put that in your lovely kitchen. It's a bit smaller. You can go to your kitchen, you can go to your dining area, your living room, depending on how big the living room is. This is lovely. This can go. Okay. Then we have this lovely like army green or lemon green, whatever color you wish to call it. So this is another nice one. Reasonable price for you. Just give us a shout. Can make your orders and will be delivered. Last of it is this one here. Lovely. Actually, you can see through this. You can see through this one. It has space in the middle. In between the numbers, there's space. It will be lovely on your wall, in your kitchen, in your living room, and where you have space, even in the balcony. Who says you can't go for your balcony? Okay, just wait a while. I have smaller ones. Let me show you. Here we go. These are lovely smaller versions of the wall clock. Lovely. Look at this. These are smaller ones. Oh, beautiful. Lovely. This one can even go to your restroom because they are smaller ones of this wall clock. So, expecting to hear from you. Tell us from where you're watching us. Like and subscribe to our channel for more variety from Devogue Interiors. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Bye.